The Gila cliff dwellings in New Mexico are one of my favorites, even though I don't go there often. It is much smaller than Mesa Verde, less people than Mesa Verde, but you still get a wonderful feeling of the history of the area. The Gila Cliff Dwellings National Monument and the surrounding area includes a number of campsites and interpretive trails. To get to the dwellings, take New Mexico Highway 15 north from Silver City. Although the distance from Silver City is only 43 miles, the travel time is approximately 2 hours due to twisting and winding mountain terrain and a narrow road. An alternative route from Silver City is along New Mexico Highway 35 and goes through the Members Valley. Even though this route is 25 miles longer than New Mexico Highway 15, it is less winding and wider, more level, and easier to travel. Therefore, it takes about the same amount of time as Highway 15. If your vehicle, travel trailer, or RV is over 20 feet in length, you should take New Mexico Highway 35. There are no cell phones that work anywhere in this region, which is why it doesn't get a lot of people. It's hard to get there. They don't have a lot of comforts while you're there, but they also don't have a lot of people. And for me, that's worth it. Cliff dwellings are in an elevation of around 5,700 to 7,300 feet above sea level. The terrain around the ruins is rugged and arid and contains steep-sided canyons cut by shallow spring rivers and bluffs. It is assumed, because of the height of these dwellings, that they were kind of just a summer dwelling place, because it gets very chilly there at night, although the days can be quite warm. One of the things that was found there that was not found anywhere else is corn cobs and Anasazi beans, which they were able to germinate, and they are selling those items in the stores in the area. The Anasazi beans are what is nowadays called gasless beans. So if you make chili and you use Anasazi beans, you won't have to worry about making fluffs.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.